Hi.
an ex-colleague of mine.
Hi, my name is Jan. How are you doing?
My name is Dada.
Dara?
Dada.
Nice to meet you, Dara. Dada.
Simple name, yeah.
Perfect. Hey, Mark. It's been a while since we've been fishing in Abu Dhabi,
yeah? Big time. There's much to pick up.
Alright. Here's our boat.
What do you think of it?
Great. So, Captain, what are we fishing for today?
Well, today, yesterday we have been out. Right now you can catch Dorado, Wahoo, Bonito, yellowfin tuna.
Yellowfin would be great. We caught some Bonitos yesterday, a nice Wahoo, about 15 pounds, and a Dorado. So we'll have to top this.
Well, I hope so. I have to work more harder.
That's right. Fish on!
Bonito.
Our first Bonito. Look at that. Look at him. There we are. Beautiful fish.
Fish on.
Fish on. Oh. Again a small Bonito.
Bimini. You need the
Yeah.
After you put in your box,
Yeah, can do. No problem. So, fish on?
Sean.
Good.
Got it blinking?
Yeah.
Okay, go with the reserve.
Not sure what it is, but it's not a mermaid, that's for sure.
Oh, Wahoo!
Estamos mayos.
Beautiful Wahoo.
Our first Wahoo. Our first Wahoo.
Nice one. So Mark, that was our first Wahoo. Excellent, huh?
Yes.
Nice one. Mark, you've got something bigger, huh?
He's hiding.
Tired yet? What do you think it is, Dada?
Maybe it's
Must be a tuna, no?
by the side, is it?
Ah, yeah.
From the head. This? That's why it's heavy.
That's why it's heavy.
Yeah.
Hey!
By the side. Slim one like.
It was a Bonito.
Yeah.
But it was a good one.
Yeah, slim size. Yeah.
Well, Mark, what to do?
What to do? Next
That
time.
was heavy, yeah?
No fighter.
Fish on?
Fish on.
Bonito. My side. Ja.
Ja, fish on.
Voila.
Hold on. Wait. I didn't never. Hey, Sailfish.
Sailfish?
Sailfish.
Oh,
See now, eh? Stop, eh?
Fish on?
Sailfish on.
I told you watch out the back, eh?
Let's see if it jumps. Where's the fish?
Huh?
Where's the fish?
They're running.
Here, look, this food.
It's taking line.
My friend, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna
Chase it.
with it, eh?
Okay.
You just be real when I'm Get the flag? Get the flag, just get the flag.
Let's work, yeah?
Yeah. So we're catching up the slack of the line. We have the fish on the side.
You look tired.
But still okay.
Okay, we are here again in Seychelles. 2 hours later, Jan Mönketig is still on the line. Still fish on.
Woo!
This is a big fish.
Who's this?
This is a big
Eles não passam para esse lado, para tu ver, né? Okay, my friend, you see?
Okay.
Sorry?
Beautiful fish. Well done, Jan. Here we go.
Do not break the field on the beach and get a better picture. You have to move a little bit, my friend. Be careful with the field.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so explain to me once more why we keep the sailfish and why we don't free it.
Well, we have a lot of fish in our water.
Okay.
The fish do not never get wasted.
Okay.
Never get wasted. Every day we eating fish. From Monday to Sunday we eating fish.
How often do you catch a sailfish?
Not now. Now is not the season. Well, it's that season you can catch 5, 6 in a half day. It comes very...
Not a bad catch, huh?
No, not a bad catch. Not long time we've been outside.
Yeah, 3 hours.
3 hours, yes.
Yeah.
Even, I'm not sure, even not 3 hours, huh?
No, 3 hours we were out.
Yes. Really a nice catch. Huh?
Yeah. So Mark, that's the Wahoo. 12 pounds almost. Can you see him on the side, the fish? Nice Wahoo, huh? Bonito. Bonito. 10 pounds. Dorado. Yeah. 6 pounds. Yeah. Alright, that's our sailfish for the day. Beautiful. Thank you. And that's the end of our fishing trip today.